Hi, I'm Teresa Chammy.
Armin Chammy.
What was the greatest takeaway from your fusion weekend?
I think just to have uninterrupted time, to be given strategies, activities that are strategically built upon each other, to have time to really create a vision and also be together and know how to put that into action moving forward.
Yeah, I was a little timid coming into the weekend, not knowing what conversations we were going to have, and fearful of like, what's my grade on certain marital aspects. But I felt that we were in good hands, and the lessons we had guided us through things in a really nice way to make it revealing and vulnerable, but also constructive. I thought that was cool.
What was a highlight for you?
I think a highlight is just uninterrupted time with my husband and just knowing without a shadow of a doubt that God has so much bigger plans than we have for ourselves, and just to be able to know how to put that into action, and also to kind of have things come to the surface that maybe we had let sleep or have just kind of been unintentionally just haven't placed as much of a value on certain things that we needed to kind of awaken and build a strategy to protect. So that was a really, really cool takeaway.
I think it was just having time to kind of rediscover that there's still interesting things to learn about her. I thought that was nice. Some of the questions that we used to scatter conversations, very simple, but it kind of breaks the ice, makes it fun, and reminds us that like if we just put in some time, there's a lot more to learn about each other.